and they need to sign in because that's the way they're going to be tested.
We're seeing a lot of folks from the construction industry that really have been having a tough time. It's been really difficult. They've been a hard-hit sector, so I'm not surprised we're getting the turnout that we're getting today with these folks. So hopefully they'll have some good luck. By 9 o'clock, we'd already processed over 200 people. We've probably got another 100 people we've seen in the last 45 minutes. It's very smooth. We have great people. The job seekers are very nice, understand. We're trying to get people through with as minimal as a wait as possible. We're getting people from the Melbourne area, West Palm. The phones are still steadily ringing. I imagine probably even we'll see some people from the Fort Lauderdale area come up here today. I think it's the economic times. You will see people coming from this region, all the surrounding counties, and farther north and farther south than we normally would have expected in better times.
It's tough right now. Everywhere you go, it's just hundreds of people coming to apply for jobs everywhere. So it's just very tough right now to find a job anyway. It wasn't too bad. It was pretty quick to get in. The only issue is it's a lot of work out of town, so it's time away from the family, but we'll see how it goes, see what they offer.